So today what I'm going to talk to you about is healthy fats. A lot of people often tell me that, Dr. Bhavisha, you are well maintained because you eat nothing almost, or you don't eat any fats at all, you don't eat any fried foods, and how do you manage to keep such tight restraint on yourself? So first let me tell you that the sentence that I don't eat anything, or that one should not eat anything to maintain themselves, is absolutely a myth. If you come and see on my daily basis what my diet is and what I eat, you will see that I eat so much more than most other women. But I eat the right things, I eat a lot of the right things, and I enjoy what I eat. This is most important. And I think if I tell you what I eat, you are going to start doing that as well, and you're going to start enjoying it as well. So what is it that I eat in healthy fats? Today first I'm going to cover the healthy fats. Now, what is healthy and what is the unhealthy fats? When you look at oils, and oily food, fried food, this is unhealthy because it is made in refined processed oil, and it is also made in oil which has been heated up to very high temperatures where it can become unhealthy for your body or harmful for your body. And when you eat food which is made in restaurants or packaged food, then the oil is reused several times. And remember one thing, when you heat up oil, and it's already become harmful, and then when you reheat that same oil, then it's doubly harmful. So I told you a lot of things that you can't eat, or I would say things that I avoid eating would be deep fried things, or sauteed or shallow fried items, but which are shallow fried in a whole lot of oil. Does that mean that I don't use oil or I don't eat oil? No. I eat a lot of fat, or I would say I eat natural oil. So what is that? For example, I love my nuts, and I'm sure all of you love your nuts. So what you should be eating is a lot of nuts, because nuts are healthy fats. They are natural, they are not heated up, and they are absolutely full of good fats, as well as they are full of vitamins and minerals like magnesium, like selenium. So you need your nuts for your fats as well as for your minerals. Remember one thing, why we need so much fat, and I love fat personally, because your brain is more than 70% fat. How is your brain going to work? How are you going to feel fresh and healthy if you don't eat enough fats? And that's exactly what we do. Now, when children are studying, or when people are doing a lot of mental work, you will see that they munch on nuts. That's what your brain wants. It wants its energy food, which is the nuts. So for example, I always give myself about 10 to 15 nuts a day, and you can make it a combination of different nuts, so you get the goodness of all the nuts, almonds being the maximum. So like I would say 8 or 10 almonds a day is a must. Along with that, I put in 2 halves of walnut. You put in 1 Brazilian nut. Sometimes you can, shift to either hazelnuts or macadamia. But I would definitely say that almonds have to be the highest, because they are very good on the fats. And they are not, the healthy fats in almonds are very good as compared to unhealthy fats. So 10 to 15 almonds a day, which is a handful. So either you do 8 to 10 almonds, and then the rest of the nuts that I told you. The Brazilian nut, for example, is extremely good in selenium content, so maybe 1 or 2 Brazilian nuts a day. Add in a couple of pecans and add in a couple of walnuts. So when I'm hungry, or when I go for my walk, or just before my workout, or maybe sometime in the day, I always make it a point to eat this handful of very good quality nuts. The other good fats that I always eat apart from this are coconuts. So I love coconut, and I love coconut in its raw form. Yeah, so coconut water is one very good thing that you can have in the day. But coconut chutneys, like if you're an Indian, then you do make a lot of chutneys, and chutneys are extremely good. I would say a lot of people refrain from having chutneys. I can survive on chutneys, but the way you make your chutneys is you put in coconut, sometimes you put in peanut. Coconuts and peanuts are both again good fats. So coconut with coriander, lots of coriander. You can put in your garlic if you want, all that is up to you. And I put in chilies, but only a little, so that for those who have hyperacidity, or for those who have stomach issues, then you are being soft on yourself. You can put in cumin, and then salt, and also salt in a little bit modest quantities, and your chutney is something that is very good healthy fat. So sometimes I also have a spoonful of this coconut chutney, and even more than that. So coconuts are your extremely good fats, nuts are your extremely good fats. The other thing that I try to eat is avocado, yeah, which is also very good fat. Also very easy to spread, very easy to make. Avocado dips are very easy to make. So this myth that you shouldn't be eating fats, yeah, just I would say erase it from your minds, and actually start eating these many nuts a day. You will see that your skin is glowing, you will see that you feel energetic, and you know what, it stops you from those hunger pangs. So nuts also are very helpful because they stop you from those hunger pangs, as well as they keep your brain going.